In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change homepage from Yahoo to Google in Chrome. If Chrome keeps opening with Yahoo, or if Yahoo is currently set as your default search option, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes through Chrome's settings. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can update both your startup page and your search engine to Google. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you'll find the controls for search behavior, startup pages, and other browser preferences. When the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Search Engine. In this section, you'll see an option called Search Engine used in the address bar. Click the drop-down menu beside it and choose Google. This makes Google the default search engine when you type searches directly into the Chrome address bar, which is an important part of switching away from Yahoo. Next, stay in the settings area and go to the left sidebar again, then click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome opens whenever you launch the browser. Choose the option that says Open a specific page or set of pages. This allows you to define exactly which website appears when Chrome starts. Now look for the existing Yahoo page in the list of startup pages. Click the three dots next to Yahoo, then select Edit. In the URL field, replace the Yahoo web address with https://www.google.com. After that, click Save. This updates your startup page so Chrome opens Google instead of Yahoo the next time you launch the browser. There's one more cleanup step that can help prevent Yahoo from showing up again. Go back to the search engine section in the left sidebar, then click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Find Yahoo in the list, click the three dots next to it and select Delete. Removing it from the Save Search Engine list can make your Chrome setup feel cleaner and reduce the chance of accidentally switching back later. Once you've completed those changes, your browser should now use Google in the address bar and open Google on startup as well. If the changes don't seem to stick right away, close Chrome completely and reopen it to confirm everything updated properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Chrome homepage and search settings from Yahoo to Google.